There's a great deal of money in today's strategy, so what I suggest is to follow the video, do the steps exactly as I do them, and there's going to be a lot of money for you guys. So just don't miss anything at all because everything is important. Let's go and make money. Now, first of all, you know that affiliate marketing involves usually some products, but what I suggest is that you go over to Partnerstack. Now, Partnerstack has a lot of partners, hence the name, but they don't have any physical or digital products because that's bad for our business because those products can get out of stock. They can just stop functioning and then you end up with having no product to affiliate for. Now, just imagine that you have made some strategy and you made a lot of traffic on it and you just get a lot of money with it, but all of a sudden that product is nowhere to be found. Either it is out of stock or they just cease to exist. Now, that can be a lot of money lost and, of course, a lot of time and energy lost. So, why I use Partnerstack? Well, it is exactly because of that. These partners will never go away. Okay, so these partners on Partnerstack will always be here. So when you go to Marketplace here, you will actually see when you click on Explore the Marketplace, you will see that they have a lot of affiliating offers. So just have a look at this. For example, if you involve yourself to short stack, you can get 15% per month for up to 1 year. And there's a lot of these. I don't want to introduce you to all of these, but what I want to show you is one which is really good. Okay, so really good one. Go to the top of this marketplace and then just type in AI. Okay, so AI is a certain tool which is helping the world, right? So what I want to show you is a product that is really, really good and it pays a lot of money. Now, first of all, you can see that there are a lot of these, but one stands out just because of the money. Just take a look at this. This one is called Turing, and you can get up to $25,000 for every paying customer. And also, you can get $1,000 for referring them to a developer. Now, Turing.com is just amazing, guys. A lot of people are making money with this just because you get up to $25,000. But this is not like you get $25,000. You can get anywhere from $1,000 to $25,000 per month. Okay, so even if you get only like $9,000, let's say, during the month, well, that's still some great money to be made without actually doing nothing, okay? So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to combine a few things. First of all, we need to know what Turing actually is. To do that, you can just go and you can just search on it for Google, okay? So you can just search for Turing, and it is this one, Turing.com, and right away you can see that this is the most deeply vetted developers and teams matched by AI, okay? So they just match the people, and they match developers with people in need. So this is done, okay? We know what it is and what it does. You can see that at the push of a button, their AI-powered deep vetting platform, the Talent Cloud, matches clients with remote engineers and other tech experts to solve complex business problems. So if anyone is looking for some talent, they're going to come in here and they're just going to hire someone. And you know that developers, that's a really good business nowadays. Everything is digitalizing and they're in need, okay? So that's why they make a lot of money. But we're going to connect those people, and in turn, we're going to get a commission, which is really, really great. So the tool which is going to help us today is called Tome, okay? So this is Tome AI. You can just search for it, and this is it, beta.tome.app. And when you click on it, you will be redirected to this like beautiful website, which is generative storytelling. So what this tool is going to do, it's going to make a presentation for you, okay? So this tool, Tome AI, they're combining ChatGPT and DALL-E 2 in order to make a presentation, which is perfect. So what you want to do is you just go and you make the title of your presentation, and you can do it whatever you want, guys. Of course, we're going to involve ourselves into Turing presentation, and then it's going to make the text and it's going to find the pictures and even some videos. Okay, so that's how powerful this one is. So what do you want to do is you want to try this Tome so I can actually just show you how this works. It is really easy. You can just create yourself an account with Google, of course. It's going to be fast. And once you are on the inside, you can just choose your name, your role. You can just choose other. It's not important. And then you will land on this dashboard of yours. So what you want to do is you want to click on the create button here. And then you just want to generate the title and all of the information that this tool actually needs. So it needs a title. So it needs to know what the presentation is going to be about. All right, so here we are. We're just gonna write create a presentation about Turing. Okay, so we're just gonna write Turing, and we just have to give it a bit more information. So it has to be like detailed. And you can always find that information on the website that you're promoting, okay? Just read a bit, and usually you will have something like this. So Turing combines global reach and AI to deliver your ideal remote developers. So you can just copy this one. And of course, you can just paste that inside of this, and it's going to do the work, okay? So that's all that this tool needs. It needs the title. It just needs to know what the presentation is going to be about, and it's going to be done, okay? So that's how easy it is. You just have to wait for it for like a few minutes, and the presentation is going to be done. I'm just going to come back in maybe 2 minutes so I can show you the end result. And of course, here it is, the benefits of Turing. You can see it finds the picture and it makes the text around it, and it makes you like 5 or 6 pages. But you can, of course, make it like 2 or maybe even 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you feel. So you can see that it actually takes an idea from Turing, okay? So just give you the pictures, which are like developers, the futuristic look, and you can just make a lot of these, okay? So what you want to do now is you want to share this one. You just download this one, and then you go to a website which is called SlideShare.net. Now, this website specializes in sharing the slides, okay? And these guys have a lot of traffic. That's why I use this one, because a lot of people are going to see my work. A lot of people are going to click on my affiliate link. Just take a look at this. SlideShare.net has 59 million total visits each month. So it's a pretty popular website, and they just take the slides and presentations and PDF files. So what you want to do is you want to upload that in here by making yourself an account first and clicking on the upload button. When you upload that, well, it's going to reach over 70 million people. Well, that's a bit of a lie, because we have actually seen that it is 60 million people, but it's still good, okay? Maybe they had a lot more traffic in the past. Let's actually see that. Yeah, that was true. They had 80 million. Now it has came down to 60 million, but that's still good. A lot of people are going to see that. A lot of people are going to see your presentation, and then a lot of people are going to sign up. And of course, guys, you only need one referral to go, one developer. You just need one paying customer, and you're going to get $25,000 per each month. So that's beautiful, guys. Go and do it. Take the action. Get that money, and I'll catch you.